So just in this particular 40 acres that surrounds the Turla, we've stopped spreading all slurry in this area any time of the year. We're fortunate that we have some outblocks or another side of the farm that's more susceptible to slurry or whatever, so we don't spread any slurry here. And what slurry we do spread elsewhere is low emissions with trail and shoe and whatever else. As a family, we got into dairy farming 10 years ago, and I think the changes that have been in the last 10 years and what's coming have been big, obviously. So we've learned a lot over the last 10 years about how to run a very efficient commercial farm or whatever, and I think now we're on the start of a new journey, maybe just about how to take care of other parts of the farm, and definitely this project is part of that journey, learning with yourselves and whoever else to try and just, you know, be better in other areas. Like we have the economic and the commercial side of the farm. We measure everything else here very accurately, grass or soil quality or whatever else. So it's just a matter now of being more aware of other parts of the farm that we do contain, or we do have water sources here on the farm. We have to be aware of that and manage those correctly. So be that how we do and don't spread slurry, or where we do and don't spread slurry, getting into keeping bees or whatever other things that we can or can't do with, along with other people or other organisations that can point us in the right direction. So I suppose we're willing to move along this journey and learn with other people, but it's definitely going to be a steep learning curve.